Hello students, myself Mrs. Kirti Pramod Sapare, working as Senior Lecturer at MC Society's Institute of Pharmacy, Pune. And today we are going to see third part of the topic Channels of Distribution. Learning Objectives. After seeing this video, students will be able to classify retailers, explain itinerant retailers, and explain small-scale fixed shop retailers. Reflection spot, that is question for the students. Define retailers. Pause the video, write the answer in your notebook and play the video once you have done with your answer. Retailers are middlemen between wholesaler and actual consumers. Classification of retailers. Retailers are classified into two types, itinerant retailers and fixed shop retailers. Itinerant retailers are divided into hawkers and paddlers, street traders and market traders. Fixed shop retailers are classified into small scale retailers and large scale retailers. Classification of small scale fixed shop retailers: street stall, second hand goods shops, general store, single line store and specialty store. And classification of large scale fixed shop retailers, that is departmental store, multiple shop, mail order business, cooperative store and hire purchase trading system. In this video we are going to discuss about itinerant retailers and small scale fixed shop retailers. Let's start with itinerant retailers. Itinerant retailers do not operate from fixed business premises, but they move from one place to another place for selling of goods in a small lots for consumers. They generally work with a very small capital investment and they mainly deal in a low price commodities of daily use. Itinerant retailers are of three types: hawkers and peddlers, street traders and market traders. First we will discuss about hawkers and peddlers. They move from door to door in residential localities to sell their goods. Goods sold by them are generally small and cheap, such as vegetables, fruits, toys and household articles, etc. Second itinerant retailer, that is street traders. These traders generally arrange their goods at busy street corners or pavements of busy roads, temple, railway stations, cinema halls, etc. They offer variety of articles of common use. They generally deal only in a one particular line of products. Third type of itinerant retailer, that is market traders. They keep on moving from place to place to sell their goods at weekly, fortnightly or monthly bazaars or at annual fair. Fixed shop retailers. Fixed shop retailers set up permanent establishment to sell their goods. They do not move from place to place in search of customers, but customers do search for them. They are fixed at one place. Fixed shop retailers are of two types: small scale retail shop and large scale retail shop. In this video we are going to see only small scale retail shops, that is street stalls, second hand goods shop, general store, single line store and specialty store. And in the next video we are going to see large scale retail shop, that is departmental store, multiple shops or chain stores, mail order business, consumer cooperative society and hire purchase trading system. So let's start with small scale retail shop. First, that is street stalls. Usually these stalls are located at street crossing or on the main street. It may take the form of stand with table or platform which may be used for keeping the goods. Mostly inexpensive articles such as toys, fountain pens, ball pens, hosiery and cosmetics are sold at these stalls. Second type of small scale retail shop, that is second hand goods shop. They deal only in second hand or used goods such as clothes, books, furniture and other household articles. The owners of such shops collect their goods at private or public auctions or by striking direct bargains with householders. Next type of small scale retail shop, that is general stores. They are generally set up in residential areas. They are stocked with all kinds of products needed by the local resident in the course of their day-to-day life. They are great boon or help to consumers. In their absence, the consumers would have to run to the central market for minor purchases such as toothbrush, soap, shoelace, etc. They are usually owned and managed by single individual. Single line store. They sell only particular kind of item. Example, a medical store deals only in medicines. Generally, these stores are situated in residential localities as well as central marketplaces. Last type of small scale retail shop, that is specialty store. These retail agencies are a specialist form of single line stores. They specialize not in the products of particular line but only one product of certain line. For example, selling of only children garments or men's garments or women garments instead of selling ready-made garments of all categories to customers. So, we have discussed about 5 types of small scale retail shops like street stalls, second hand goods shops, general stores, single line stores and specialty stores. In the next video, we will see about large scale retail shops. These are certain references for today's topic. We will continue with part 4, that is last part of this topic, channels of distribution. Thank you very much.